A very good morning, children. Once again, I hope you are enjoying the weather as well as you are enjoying your studies with the help of videos. I hope you have prepared whatever I had sent you in previous video, right? Have you gone through the magic of Codulab, students? Okay. So if we have some practiced and check those things out, let's explore something more here. Okay, so today beta the class will be all practical based, because here in this video what we will do, we will code those two JET programs once again here. Okay children, now let's take out page number 88 of your book, of your computer book, so that we can read and explore ahead. Okay. Now see here what we will start with. We will start with the game programming, right? What is game programming? Actually, if you are making a game, you have to decide how the game will go further ahead. Who will win, who will lose. Since we have added characters to our game, now it is time to decide in which direction the game will move ahead. See, what it is that this is actually called game plan. So what game plan is that? Since we had taken two jet plane, one with the red one, another with the blue one. Red one is the enemy jet and blue one is the user jet, right? If the red jet hits our plane, our jet, it means we will lose. But if our jet hits enemy jet, then it means we will win. So in Kodu, everything, whatever we code, whatever program we write in the form of when and do. We write in the form of when and do. If when is what? This is the event. When something happens, then it will perform some action. Right? So this is the way we will perform and show the code here. Okay? So let's check it out. Now see, since we have made the game plan, now let's make this Red Army Jet program. So for that again we have to open the Codulab, which is already present here. Right children? Which we left on that day. Says opening. It will take a bit of time. Then we will write the code for Codulab. Okay? Okay. So this is the one which it is starting. Okay? It will take a few minutes. Okay. Let us wait a little ahead so that we again found the same game map which we had last left. Okay. Cancel. Okay, it's asking. Yes, we want to resume where we had left. This is what we had left in the last video. We had added two characters, one with the red jet, another with the blue jet, right? Now we will write separate program for this two jet. First we will write for this red one, this red army. So since see this already, we have to click on the object tool. Now go to the red one and now right click on the mouse button. Which click? Right click on the mouse button. Okay, and now let's go to the program. So you find this block, when and do block, because everything here we code in Kodu is through when block and do block. Now see, in when block, here what thing we will do? Check out page number 89. Everyone see. So see, you see the one sign and there is a plus sign here. Okay, so just click on this plus sign. Okay, after you click on this plus sign, you'll get a this which will ask for which option you have to choose. So we will choose more option. Okay, so more option will display some more. We will click on always. What? That always. What will always this red jet will do? Now let's click on this do option. Okay. So this two option, because the red army is the enemy army, so it will continuously random shoot the missiles. So we will write the code for that only. So in the do section, what we will do is that we will select shoot. Okay, shoot from here. Now what will be shooted? Definitely we will click on this plus once again. Okay, so missile will be shooted. Click on this, and in what level missile will be shooted? So we will choose the level. So this is one single line of code. Okay, the enemy jet will keep on continuously shooting the missiles on random basis. Now next we will decide what will happen if, okay, and moreover one more thing, that this missile, this enemy jet has to be moved around all over randomly. So we will make another line of code, that is on the second line. Just check this out. See, you can see this on page number 89. Okay, again we will click on when, and we will opt for more option, and we will choose always. Now we will make this go. What we will keep on make this jet move always. So we have chosen the move, and where in which direction it will move? It will keep on wandering here and there in all directions. So we have written two lines of code here. Yes, students. Now see, let's check out what will happen when in the game end. If this red enemy jet hits our missile, hit our jet, it means the game will get over. So again, click on the third block, third row, click on when, the plus arrow of the when, and again we will click on more. Now here more, we'll select short hit. If hit is short, by which one? Then we will again click on the boards here. Right? So where are the boards? Yes, we'll choose from this board one because it contains the jet one. Now which jet? If the red jet hits which jet? The color blue jet. Okay, so we'll choose the blue one from here. Okay, so it means it will win the race, win the game. So do, it will win. So how will we show this? The game will be over, right? So this will be done into which section? Game section. Go to the game and it will show up end, because we will be hit by the red army or enemy army. So this is the line of code for the red jet. Okay, you can check this whole code, block of code on page number 90. This is all shown up here. Okay students, go and code this. Now we will make code for the blue jet also. I will show you here, and then how it will make the game. Okay. Now it is saved. Now press the escape key. Which key? Press the escape key to return. It is also written here. Okay. Now we will code for this blue one. Now right click on this. Now write the program for this. Okay. So this is blank again. So check this out on page number 91. Okay, what you have to do, again click on this plus option, and now since we are playing the game through keyboard, so we will choose for keyboard option. Now we will play the game, and that we have to code for. Okay, now let's go to the miscellaneous option. Do you see here on the keyboard? Click on the keyboard, and in the keyboard, let's check for this miscellaneous option. In the miscellaneous option, we have to choose whether to move left or right. So first we are writing for the code left. See, if left keyboard, if the left arrow key is pressed, then what we will do? It will turn the direction towards the left, right? So it will turn towards where? Again, check out the direction left. In a similar way, we can also make in the next code, what we will do? Again, we will select the keyboard and we will make it go to the right. So again on the keyboard, miscellaneous, we will choose the right arrow key. Okay. So right arrow key, and then what it will do, if you press the right arrow key, what will be done? Okay, so it will turn in which direction? Towards the right direction. Okay, just click on this. So we have already coded this. Fine. Now again we have made the our jet move left and right. But when it will shoot the missile, that we have to code. We will code in such a way that if you press the space bar key, the missile will be shooted. Okay. So you can check on page number 91, students. Now I am writing the third line of code. Okay. Now click on this plus symbol in the third row. Okay. Or when again we will select the keyboard. On the keyboard again in the miscellaneous part. Okay. In the miscellaneous part now we will press the space. Okay. If the space bar or space bar key is pressed, what will happen? We will shoot. Okay, so we will shoot the missile. So which missile? Again we have to choose the level, right? Let's shoot the missile and up to which level? Okay, up to this level. Okay, so we have written three lines of code. Now, how will we decide that who will win or lose? Okay, if our jet hits the enemy jet, it means that we will win the game. Okay, so let's write the code for that on in row number 4. Right, student? See here. Again, one more thing we have to write before deciding the game, that we have to make our jet move and go forward. So we will write another line of code that when keyboard is pressed and which key is pressed? Definitely the up arrow key is pressed. So we will choose the up arrow. Okay. When up is pressed, so it will do what? It will move forward. Okay. We will only choose move. And in the fifth row, that the last row, what we will do? We will decide the fate of the game. Okay. So how will we write like that? When. Okay, when, what we will do? When we will shoot him. Okay, so this we will go in more option. Okay, so when we shot him, which jet? The enemy jet. Okay, so where is the enemy jet? We will find it boat 1. So in the boat 1, if the color of the jet is what? Red. Okay, that means the enemy's jet. So what will happen? Then the game will be won by us. Okay, so we have written all this line of codes all together. Now escape, return. Now student, this is the time to play the game. Okay, so let's play the game. How will we play the game? With the help of play game. Just click on this. Now the game is ready. See, it has turned. It is moving randomly and it is shooting the missile. See the red one. So we have to be very careful. Okay. Let's turn this. Let's move our missile. Turn and let's release the missile. We don't know from where the enemy is coming. Okay. So we'll turn and move like this. Okay. So we have to escape. Okay, the enemy is far away. So this way we will get the missile. Okay, this way we will shoot. Okay. I think this will be hit now. The enemy is very clever and it is. Ooh! So we are the winner. We won the game. So this is how we will make a game and develop the game with the help of Codula. Okay, students? Is it clear? So try this, download this game, and your homework is that you will practice. You will download and you will practice this at your home. Okay, practice coding 2 jets. Okay, and try to develop this game. Okay, I hope you have understood, you have enjoyed. Rest will be discussed in the class. Keep learning and keep enjoying. Thank you so much, children.